Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Do you ever walk past a bakery and get a whiff of that warm, buttery cake that instantly take you back to childhood? Well, today we are creating that exact magic at home with our authentic bakery-style tutti frutti cake. This isn't just any cake, it's a perfectly moist, incredibly fluffy sponge stuffed with those chewy jewels toned tutti frutti pieces. The recipe is simple, the results are spectacular, and the flavor is everything you remember and more. We are going to share all the tips and tricks to get this perfect crumb and that beautiful golden top just like a professional baker. Whether you are a beginner baker or just looking to bake a truly classic cake, this recipe is guaranteed success. So grab your flour and let's start the baking some sweet memories. So now let's begin. So first take a bowl, then add 100 grams tutti frutti, 1 tablespoon plain flour, then give it a nice mix. Mix it until the flour is nicely coated with the tutti frutti. This method is done so that the tutti frutti does not sink at the bottom of the cake. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then to make the cake better, take a bowl, add 250 grams butter, 250 grams castor sugar, then whisk it until the butter and sugar is nice and smooth. Until the sugar is nicely dissolved and until the butter has changed its color to pale white. Make sure it is something like this. Then simply scrape the sides of the bowl and whisk it again so that it's evenly mixed. Then whisk it again for about 2 minutes. So now the butter and the sugar is nicely creamed. Then add 4 large egg yolks. Make sure you add half at a time, or else the butter will split and you will not have the correct texture for the cake. Whisk it until the egg has completely mixed with the butter. Make sure it is something like this. Then add the remaining egg yolk and whisk it again. Make sure not to over whisk it as well, or else the mixture will split. Then add half teaspoon vanilla paste or essence. Then whisk it for a minute. Then simply scrape the sides of the bowl. And whisk it again. Then add 250 grams plain flour sieved, add 2 teaspoon baking powder, 2 tablespoon milk powder, and sieve it too. Then whisk it until the batter is nice and smooth. Make sure there are no lumps. Then add 1/4 cup milk and whisk it until it is nice and smooth. Make sure to even scrape the sides of the bowl. Make sure the batter is something like this. Then add the tutti frutti and give it a final whisk. Whisk it until the tutti frutti is nicely mixed with the batter. Then simply fold in the cake batter with spatula. Make sure the batter is nice and smooth, or else you can add a little more milk in the batter. Make sure the consistency is something like this. Then leave this aside. Then in a bowl add 4 egg whites and whisk it until it is stiff peak. As you can see that the egg has changed its color to white. If you turn the bowl upside down, the egg white should not fall. Then simply add the egg white to the cake batter. Make sure to add only half at a time. Then gently fold it with the cake batter. Then add the remaining half. And fold in the cake batter until it is nice and smooth. So the cake batter is ready now. Make sure it is something like this. The thickness of the batter is perfect. Then take a baking tin. I have lined it with baking paper. Then simply add the cake batter. And then nicely spread the batter on the sides. Spread it nicely. Then gently tap the cake tin on the surface and bake it in the preheat oven at 170 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. So the bakery style tutti frutti cake is ready. Then to check the cake if it is perfectly cooked, simply use a small knife, check the center of the cake. If it comes out clean, then it is cooked. Then allow it to cool down completely and simply cut it according to your preference. As you can see that the cake has perfectly cooked and it has a nice golden brown crust. So first cut all the sides and then cut according to your desired shape. And there you have it guys, your very own bakery style tutti frutti cake. Just look at that perfectly golden crust and the soft fluffy sponge studded with those beautiful jewel tone pieces. This recipe truly delivers it on its promise of a deliciousness. Old school bakery classic made right here in your home. I truly hope you enjoyed baking this cake as much as I enjoyed sharing this recipe with you. It's perfect for a cup of tea, a special occasion, or whenever you need a little slice of nostalgia. If you love this recipe, then please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your baking friends and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Don't forget to ring that notification bell for more delicious and easy recipes from our kitchen. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.